Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2023 Volkswagen Atlas, and we're going to do the Taillight Tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the taillights, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. So with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the tail light. So all we need to do is apply Slip Solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the tail light may have. So we're going to start by installing the piece that covers the front section of the tail light here. So just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. Make sure you align it right on the edge here. And to secure it, all we need to do is apply Tack Solution to this area of the film. Make sure we keep it aligned. So make sure you're following the design on the lower section, and it's only going to cover up to where the body line of the tail light is located. So you'll feel it once you pass your finger, you're going to feel that's where the body line is. So apply Tack Solution, hold it in position, and with your squeegee start tacking it down. Once you secure this piece, all we need to do is stretch the film just a little bit, just so we can remove any fingers that we may have here and on the top. So do a light stretch, hold it in position, and then we'll tack it down. So it should go up to the edge here. So stretch it, apply Tack Solution, hold it in position, and start tacking it down to secure it. And this is just so we could help remove the fingers that are on the middle, on both the top and the lower section. And now everything's smooth. And now all we need to do before we start with the next installation is to apply heat around the edge. That way we seal it and we're able to overlap the other film on top of it. So apply Tack Solution, grab your heat gun, start applying heat, and then use a microfiber towel to seal the top edges. Okay, now we can move on with the next piece. So for the next piece, all we need to do is just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. Place the film down to the tail light, and you could start from either this side or this side. It doesn't really matter, just as long as where we start, make sure it stays aligned and stretch it to the other end. So let's say you start here, tack it down, stretch here, or let's say you start here, tack it down, stretch. So it's pretty simple. So align it here, apply Tack Solution on the edge, and apply Tack Solution on top of the film. Hold it in position and start tacking it down with your squeegee. Make sure it stays secured. Once it's secured and it's not going to move, now we can continue on with the rest of the installation. So it's just doing a light stretch in order to reach it and overlap this film, and also stretch the film to reach it to this edge. So light stretch it to this end, and then just tack it down. To tack it down, apply Tack Solution on the edge. So place it down, stretch the film, hold it in position, and with your squeegee, tack it down. And now that we have this one secured, do the same here. Stretch it down, secure it, and tack it down. And to remove the small finger, all we need to do is apply Tack Solution and heat, and we should be good. And then once we finish tacking on the top, make sure there's no solution underneath the film, and then we'll seal the top edge here. For the last part, just apply Slip Solution to the lens, Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film, and to make it more faster to tack down, apply Tack Solution right on the edge here. Place the film and align it on the edge. Once we have it on the edge, spray Tack Solution, hold it in position, and start tacking it down to secure it. So make sure you secure all of this section here, that way it stays secured. And all we need to do is just lightly stretch it like this, hold it in position, apply Tack Solution, and secure the rest here. So secure this whole flat area first. And once this whole section is tacked down, we're going to apply heat and tack solution to seal the top. Since it is a small curve, we're going to apply just a little bit of heat to help it sit on the top edge and it won't lift over time. Make sure there's no solution underneath the film, and now just seal the top and then we should be good. Okay, so once we finish with the entire installation for the tail light, the last thing to do is to post heat the entire film. So just apply tack solution to the tail light lens, and we're going to use our heat gun to apply heat throughout the entire tail light. Make sure we apply heat evenly, that way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. And we're just going to use our microfiber towel to help tack down the film and also help remove any solution that is around the edges. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the Taillight tints for the 2023 Volkswagen Atlas. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.